So hope everybody completed the practice up to step 17.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Okay. So any doubts till step number 17? Any doubts? No doubts?
No doubts. Yes, sir.
Good. So we will continue with step number 18. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah. Right.
Sir,
Yes.
is it possible to change business entity code after saving it?
Code you cannot change. Name only can be changed. You can delete it and create a new one. Okay. Yeah.
How to delete?
Delete same you have in OX02
Okay.
/n OX02. You have delete option also.
Okay.
You select like this, delete. Save. Okay. This is delete button.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, in step number 13,
13. Okay.
sir, what's the purpose length of GL account number that you gave 6 out of 10? I don't understand.
Length, na, you know length, na, mobile number. What is the length?
Yes, sir.
10 digits.
How many digits?
10.
Yeah, 10 digits. Now, postal code?
6 digits.
5.
How many
Six
digits
digits.
post? 6 digits. Like we have a length, na, how many digits you want for the accounts in your company. Already we created na 1 lakh series. Na?
Yes, sir.
Why we are having 6 digits only? We can have 5 digits or 7 digits or 10 digits. Na? We only had 6 digits. Na? Because as a company, we are following 6 digits for our GL accounts. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Good. Now, step number 8.
Maximum is 10.
Maximum is 10 in SAP.
Okay.
Yeah.
Explain step 16.
Step 16 is go to OB53 and then give your chart of account. That is, what is my chart of account? SHCA. Na? And then you go here, give X here, X, and give the account number of the retained earnings. Okay? Yeah. So give here X and give account number. That's it. Save. Clear? Good.
Yes, sir.
So that is step number 16. Na? Next, step number 18. Step number 18 is what? /n. /n, what it is? OB.
OBA4.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, all this information will be provided by end user, my client, right?
What information?
What to put here in your account you have put in 100, right? So they will be providing.
Yeah. So, correct. What number they want, how many digits they want, what company code they want to create, how many businesses they have, which fiscal year they are in. It is all there.
Okay.
Correct? Yeah, they will provide in the as is document and BRT. Okay? Good.
Okay, sir.
So now define tolerances for the users and employees. Okay, users and employees. So what is this? See here, for every user, suppose there is one junior accountant is there. Now this accountant, you want to allow 500 million transaction. Shall we allow him to post a 500 million transaction? Shall we allow or not?
No.
No, right? Why no?
He may commit some mistakes.
What is the why
He's a junior.
is a junior? So if he's a junior, what is the problem? What is the problem? He can post now 500 million. What is the problem? What do you think is the problem? Nobody knows.
Sir, he does not have required experience or qualification to handle such a transaction.
Yeah, it is risky, no? If he
Yes, sir.
posts wrong, if there is a problem, na, he doesn't have the experience or knowledge. Kada. So if it is a big transaction, it should be posted by the senior people, correct or not? Yeah. So there is a risk here. Then how much amount shall we allow? Shall we allow 50 million? Shall we allow 50 million? Huh? Or 5 million? How much? How much? We should tell, na? Kada. Why this noise is there? Why this noise is there? Okay, why this noise is there? Yeah. Sangeeta, whoever it is, please be on mute. There is lot of noise from your side. Okay, right. Next. Right. So what is that I am saying? So here 5 million. So we should put a limit, na? For every role, like a junior accountant, I put a limit, na? Some limit. Okay, 1 lakh rupees is the limit. Then senior accountant. Now I will put one more limit, na? 5 lakh. Like that I will put some limit, na? So every user we should have a limit or not? Or shall we allow whatever to be posted by anybody?
Limits.
We should have a
limit should be high.
limit. That limit we are giving here. So maximum permittable limit, maximum permissible limit to be allowed, transaction limit allowed for an employee is given in OBA 4. Okay, let's go to OBA 4 /N OBA 4. Let's go there. Click on the new entries. And then you give, na, what is my group name blank, na, my company code. Group, same logic, I will leave blank. Okay, step number 17, I left blank, na? Same logic, leave it blank. Company code, what company code?
SH.
SH. And then press enter. Then maximum, you see, upper limit for posting. Upper limit for posting. Amount per document. How much amount? So I am entering how much amount. If I enter 1 lakh here, I cannot post more than 1 lakh. Got it? That's why I am giving a bigger amount. Na? So we can post up to this much amount. Okay. Then amount per open item account. Open item separate topic is there. On that day I will discuss. Okay. Next. Cash discount per line item is maximum discount I am allowed to give. So this is the maximum amount I can post. This is the maximum amount I can post. This is the maximum discount I can give. Is it clear? Yeah. So maximum amount I can post, maximum discount I can give. Got it? Yeah. Amount per document.
For Go meetings,
For a user, na? Any user. Now I gave group blank means what? It will be applicable for all users, including us, correct? So what is the maximum discount I can give? 3%. Got it? So if a user is asking me 3%, I can give discount up to 3%. More than 3%, my senior will have. Is it clear? Yeah. So what is the maximum permissible amount I can post and what is the maximum discount I can give? Okay. Note down as it is. You have to give. Note down, please. Note down.
So can you just explain once more how do I join the 2 minutes late?
What do you say?
So this process actually I am a bit confused. So I joined a few 2 minutes late, so I didn't get the complete details.
Yeah, so see, every user will have a limit, na? See, in the company, we have a junior accountant is there. We cannot allow all the big transactions to be posted by him, na? So he will have a limit. Up to 1 lakh only he can post. Or some other senior accountant, he will have his limit. Now, every user, depending upon the role he is in, he will have a limit, transaction limit. That limit we are giving. Okay? Yeah.
Got it. So for user, what is the maximum transaction or amount?
Yeah, upper limit for posting. What is his upper limit for posting? Maximum amount. Okay, for a user. This step is for users only. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, noted everybody?
Yes.
Save na? So I got the request. Now what should I do, guys?
Change request.
Own request.
Own request.
Own request. Yes.
Then?
Sahara enterprise structure.
Correct. Perfect, na? Done. That was step number 18.
18.
Step number 19. No, no. Step number 19 is assign tax procedure to country India. That is OBBG. Assign tax procedure to country India. Assign tax procedure to country India. So tax procedure means what? A tax system in a country, na? Like in India, you have 30% corporate tax. In America, we have 40%, 45% corporate tax. So like that, every country will have a tax system in place, na? So this tax system will be applicable for all the company codes in India, right?
Yes, sir.
So all the companies in India, it will be applicable. That's why the tax system is defined at a country level. Correct? See, the government of India will not say, na, I like your company, you pay only 5% tax. I don't like your company, you pay 45% tax. Is it like that, or is it a common for everybody?
Equal.
Common to everybody.
Common, equal for everybody, common for everybody. Correct. So if you have 100 company codes in India, it will apply, the tax system will apply the same to all 100 companies. Got it? Yeah. So then why we have to give separately for every company code? Not required. If you give at country level, because that company code is in that country, automatically it will be applicable. So I'm not giving the tax system at a company code level. I am giving it at country level. From country, it will be linked to the company code. Is it clear?
Yes.
Understood, everybody? So this tax procedure, how to create a new procedure for a country, I will discuss in the GST classes. So yeah, not now. So in GST classes, about 1 week to 10 days classes we have. During that time, I will discuss how to create a tax procedure from scratch. Okay, but for now, as a requirement, we will do this. Na? We will go to OBBG. Note down, everybody. / and OBBG. You go like this. And then what you do? Position. What is your country? India country. For India country, what is the tax system I have to give? What is the tax system, guys? I will show you. There is a test system is there. Test, na? I'm giving temporary. Na? So here from the drop down, if you click on the drop down, you will see a tax TST system. Okay, you select this. Note down everybody. So tax to test system we will note down.
Sir,
Yeah.
1 second.
So you go to OBBG. After going to OBBG, position, country India. For India, I will give the tax system like this. Yeah, I'll give the from the drop down. This is the drop down. No?
Yes.
This is the drop down. When you click on all the tax systems, you can see. Okay. Here I am giving tax TST, test system. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
That's it. Save. That is step number
19.
19. Next. Step number 20. Write down. 20.
So this drop down is actually created earlier or it is fixed in?
It is there in the system, na? It is created. It is there. If you want a new one, you will create. You know, when you create, one more line will come. Okay, when you create a new tax procedure separately, right? Suppose you create a new tax procedure here. OBYZ, there is one screen where we will create a tax procedure. So when you create a new procedure here, new entries and you create some procedure, this 100, 120 like that, if you created 950, that you can see in the OBBG later on. Understand? So if you create, you can see that number also there. Okay? So that is step number 19. Next. Step number 20. Okay, note down. Note down everybody. Deactivate document splitting.
Initially also we use this T code.
Sir, SPRO we are using starting.
Yeah, there is no T code for this. It's a new feature. That's why there is no T code.
Sir, can you just show 18 step I missed due to technical issue? Not now, if later also it's okay. Just inform me.
Okay, no problem. I will show now itself. You go to /n OBA4 and in OBA4, yeah, new entries. We give the group blank and then you give the company code. And then, yeah, you enter like this. Okay, so like this, you give the company code and then you enter the amount, maximum limit.
Okay.
And maximum discount you will give. Make sure you give the group as blank.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Save.
Okay.
Okay, next. Now step number 20, deactivate document splitting. Now what is this document splitting? This document splitting is a new feature. It is a new feature. But the problem with this new feature is there are some new settings. Right? So I need to do these new settings, then only we can use it. Understand? So if these new settings are not done, system will start throwing the error. If document splitting is active and if the settings are not done, it will throw the errors. So now we are just in the beginning. Now. See, we don't know the existing features, right? How you can understand a new feature? No, it is, even if I discuss now also, you will not understand. Correct. First of all, we should know what features we have and what is the additional new feature that is being provided through documents. Correct. So this is not the right time to discuss about a new feature. Correct. And the problem is there are some new settings. I cannot do the settings also. So what I will do, temporarily we are deactivating. Temporarily we are deactivating. Correct? For now, and we will proceed. Okay, in future, when we are ready for it, we will do all the new settings and we will use this feature. Okay, so now it is not the right time, but going forward after 2 to 3 months, when you are ready for it, I will do all the settings. I will do it and I will show you what is the use of the documents. Okay, but for now we will just deactivate it. Okay, yeah. So I will show you now. So you go to SPRO /SPRO, you go like this. Then you go to reference IMG. Then you go to, what is that one? We have financial accounting new, na? This is the normal one. New means new features. Is that clear? So I am going to financial accounting. Then general ledger accounting new. Then I am going to business transactions, document splitting, and active. See, all these settings I have to do actually. Then only I can use this. But now I am not ready, na? So what I am doing, I click on activate. So what I have to do, I have to activate or deactivate.
Deactivate.
Yeah, so this tick is there, na, you see?
Yes, sir.
If the tick is there, it is activated. So what I will do, I will remove the tick. If I put the tick, it is activated. If I remove the tick, it is deactivated.
Deactivate.
So now I have to activate or deactivate.
Deactivate.
So do I have to put the tick or remove the tick?
Remove the tick.
If the tick is already removed,
So
what you have to do? Leave it, na? Correct or not? See, some students, what they do just for the sake of doing something, already they are here. No, tick is already, what should I do? Put that tick. That is wrong, na? Yeah. So if the tick is there, you remove it. If it is not there, don't do anything, na? Just save and come out. Correct? Yeah. So what is that you are doing here? We are activating or deactivating?
deactivate.
So we have to put the tick or remove the tick.
Remove the tick.
If the tick is already removed, what will you do?
Leave that.
Don't do anything. Leave it as it is and come out. Okay? So that was step number 20, na? Good. So step number 21, note down. Step number 20. Path. Okay, note down. Okay? Right, done everybody? Yeah. Okay. So that was step number 20. You click on this and if the tick is there, you remove the tick, na? And you proceed. Clear? Good. Next, so, and you save. You have to save also. Then next one, step number 21. Define company code global data. Write down. This is very important. That is OBY6. OBY6. T code is OBY6. Okay, T code is OBY6.
Sir,
Yes.
it is necessary to remember step name with step T code with its T codes.
You will don't need to by heart, you will get them. With practice, you will get. Okay, daily, day in, day out, when you discuss, no, automatically you will get. Okay.
Okay.
So these 21 steps, they are required actually. If you can, when you are doing practice, if you repeat, na, you will have to remember. They are important. Yeah. Yeah.
After 21?
After 21, they're not that important. But generally, we use it daily. Na? Yeah. So slowly, when you do practice, you repeat every day, you will get them.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, any logic is there? OB.
Unfortunately, there is no logic. See, when they created, na, they created for all the modules together. It's all mixed up. There are gaps in between, large gaps. So there is no point in having the logic calls. Okay. Good. Okay, so company code, global data. Global data means total data of the company code. Okay. Yeah. So, okay. Right. So now let's go. Go to step number 21. Go to OBY6 / OBY6. Okay, so in OBY6, you can see the total data of the company. Okay, total data, whatever you have done so far, in single screen, you can see them. Understand? So I will show you. See position. What is the company code? What is the company? SH. Then when you click on SHL, you can see what all you have done. Okay, so your company group name, chart of account name, field status, posting variant, fiscal year, everything you see. So in one single screen, you can see what all you have done so far. Everything you can see in one screen. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you forgot your field status, you can come and see here. If you forgot your chart of accounts, you can come and see. You forgot your field status, you can come. So all the data is in one place. Got it? Yeah. Okay, now here we will tick few things. Okay, note down guys. Company code is productive. Propose fiscal year. Define default value date. Negative postings permitted. Okay, note down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, note down everybody. Note down. 4 things. Now why we will tick, I will explain. But for now, note down the 4 options. What I tick. Company code is productive. Propose fiscal year. Define default value date. Negative postings permitted. Note down. Don't leave your mic unmuted all the time, guys, please. Okay, note down.
Sir?
Yes.
If some mistake is there in this box, we can change also, right?
You can change also, yes. Yes, you can do that also. Yes.
Done, sir.
Okay, now. Now here, correct. So here, why we are taking this? Company code is productive means what? Company code is in use. Kada, company code is productive means what? Company code is in use. So if someone is deleting your company code data, it will say, sorry, you cannot delete. Why? Because this is in use. Somebody is using it. You cannot delete it. Understood? So company code is productive means what? Company code is in use. Okay. Yeah. So it will protect your company code data. Okay. So if this is ticked, you cannot delete the company code data. It is protected. Okay. It will say this is in use. You cannot delete it. Like that, it will give the message. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. So company code is productive means what? Company code is in use. Okay, next. Proposed fiscal year. Proposed fiscal year means financial year. Kada, fiscal year is nothing but finance. So in whichever screens you are working, na, you can see the financial year in which you are in. Okay, you can see the financial year. Venkatesh, Sangita Venkatesh, Loka, please be on mute all the time. Only you are unmuted position. Everybody is on muted. Sangita, can you hear me? Yes. Please be on mute all the time. Only when you speak, unmute position. Okay? Yeah. So now here, what is that I was saying? Proposed fiscal year means which fiscal year you are working, you can see in the screens. If you are working in 22 year, you can see 22. If you are working in 20, it will propose the fiscal year. Good. Next, define default value date. Value date we use for banking transactions. Okay, banking. Correct. For example, now you see, suppose we issue a check and it got cleared someday. Na? We will come to know later when we get the bank statement, we will know it is cleared. But what date exactly it is cleared, that is the value date. The date on which the value of the transaction took place. So this becomes important for banking transactions. Correct. That's why we'll say define default value date. Okay, next. Next one is negative postings permitted. Negative means what? Minus numbers, na? Not debit or credit, minus numbers. Okay, suppose I am doing BRS, I want to post minus 20,000. Minus 20,000. So minus number, na, negative number, na. That is what. Negative postings permitted. Okay, take this. Okay, note down everybody, 4 things we take, na. That's enough for now. You save it. So with this, we have completed what we have completed? Enterprise structure we completed. Is it clear? So
Yes,
enterprise structure is over now. Now we can enter into our finance, pure finance. Okay. So, but before that, I want to check. I want to check whether I have done my 21 steps correctly or not. Correct or not? I want to test, na? I want to check, na? So to check whether I have done my 21 steps correctly, what I'll do, I'll create a GL account. Yeah, and I will post to it. So see, the point here is I can only create a GL account and post the transactions if I have completed my 21 steps correctly. Right? So the point here is you can only create an account and post the transactions if you have completed the 21 steps correctly. If there is any problem in your 21 steps, systems will stop you. Is that clear? It will clearly tell you if you have tolerance not given, tolerance not given, chart of account not created, not created. Like that, it will tell you the problem also. Is that clear? So if you are able to create the GL account and post the transactions to it, which means that your 21 steps are done correctly. If you are getting error means what? Some problem is there. So some step you have not done correctly. It will tell you clearly what is the problem. Posting period variant not open. Like that it will tell you. Is that clear? Good. So I'm going to create one account. Okay. So I'm going to create share capital account. Okay. The T code is FS00. Okay. Write down everybody. Create share capital account. Create share capital account. Note down everybody.
So this enterprise structure, I think for every project, this basics we need to done, right?
Yes, you will do through the enterprise structure, but you have to adapt to their requirement. No? Correct? You will do the same things, but according to their requirement. Correct? Suppose they are saying, I want a GL account number 7 digits. You have to give 7 series. Suppose they are saying we have 25 company codes. Create 25. Suppose they are saying, I want July to June fiscal year. Create it. You understand? You will do the same steps, but according to the requirements of the client company. Clear? So now you tell me, share capital is a liability, asset, income, or expense?
Liability.
Liability.
So for liability, what series we are using?
1 lakh.
1 lakh series.
1
Na?
lakh.
So I will create now. Okay, let me go to FS00. Okay, slash and FS00. Let me go. Okay, so here this screen is self-explanatory. Self-explanatory. If you put the cursor, it will tell you. You see, this is what it is. Find. This one, create. This one, display. This is change. This is copy. This one, block. Delete. Change company code. Refresh. Print like that. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this screen is self-explanatory. Now what is that I want to do? I want to create. No? Correct. So to create, what is the button I should click?
5. 8.
Create. What is the number? Liabilities. What number?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
And what is the company code we are in now?
SHL.
SHL. Okay, now tell me. Enter. I got it now. Group, what group?
Liability.
Share capital.
No, group.
Liability.
Is it P&L account or balance sheet account?
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
What is the name of the account?
Share capital.
Share capital account. Correct, na? This is my share capital account. Good. Next, go to next tab. This is one tab, second tab, third tab. Tabs, na? The top ones we call them as tabs. The third ones we will call them as tabs. Okay. We will call them as tabs. Okay. So now, share capital account, liabilities, balance sheet, share capital, then control data tab, INR, then what we have? Here, INR. So this account, so second tab. This is my first tab, na?
Yes, sir.
My first tab is type description, second tab is control data, third one is create bank entry. Correct. So in the first tab, type description tab, this is my liabilities, balance sheet, and this is my name, na? Name. Then you go to second tab, control data tab. Control data tab, correct? Yeah. So here, this account I will maintain in rupees. This account I will maintain in rupees. So what I will do, this button I will take. Only balances in local currency. What does it mean? I want to see the balance in rupees only, local currency. See, suppose I am showing you one account where I am saying $10,000, 20,000 dirhams, 50,000 pounds, yeah, 5,000 rupees. What you will understand? No, you want to convert all of them and show in your local currency, na?
Yes, sir.
That is only balances in local currency. So this account I will maintain in rupees. So show me the balances in local currency only. Okay, next. Next, I will tick this line item display. Line item display is nothing but transaction display. Okay, line item display is nothing but transaction display. Okay, transaction display. Okay, line item display is nothing but transaction display. Okay, so what is this? See, so I'll give you one example. Now we all go to ATM, na? Yeah, to withdraw cash we go to ATM, na? Now I am checking the balance of the account in the ATM. I am checking the balance of my account in the ATM. I was expecting the balance to be 60,000 rupees. But when I checked the balance, it is showing only 40,000. It is showing only 40,000. Now what is the next thing I will do? I am in the ATM center. I am checking the balance. I was expecting the balance to be 60. But when I check it is showing only 40. What will I do?
Statement.
What statement? Mini statement. Immediately I look for the mini statement. Now why I look for the mini statement?
To check the transactions.
Transaction. See, balance I am able to know, but how I got that balance? What happened? That transactions list also I need, na?
Yes.
Maybe I gave a check 3 months ago, it cleared now. Got it? So along with the balance, along with the balance, I want to see line item display means what? Transaction display. I want to see the transactions also. Is it clear? So here what did I say till now? I said that this account I will maintain in rupees. So show me the balances in rupees only. And that balance, how I got that balance, how many transactions, show me the transactions also. Is it clear? I'm not stopping with the balance. I want to see how that I got it, transactions list. And that transactions list, how I want to see, na, sort key. On what basis I want to see, date wise, date wise or branch wise, how I want to see. Got it? So if I select branch, na, it will show me branch wise, na, branch 1, all the dates. Same transactions. Kada? If I select branch, na, it will show me date wise. Kada? Branch 1, all the dates. Kada? Branch 2, all the dates. Branch 3, all the dates. Like that it will show. If I select a date, posting date, it will show me date wise, na, date 1, all the branches. Date 2, all the branches. You understand the point here? Same transactions, how I want to see, on what basis, date wise, branch wise, what is my requirement? Accordingly, I can see. Is it clear, everybody? So I am selecting date wise. So in this screen, what did I tell the system? I said that this account I am maintaining in rupees. So show me the balance in rupees only. Along with the balance, show me the transactions also. Those transactions show me date wise. This much I told the system. Is it clear, everyone?
Sir,
Yes.
we post anything wrong, then say, how will you rectify, sir? For example,
First let us post, na. Post will come when you have created an account. In the account, you post the transaction, na. Are you talking about posting an entry or are you talking about enterprise structure?
Enterprise structures.
Same thing. Wherever you created, you can change. Suppose address I have given wrong. Where I have given OX02. Go there,
OX02.
change. Same place you can change also. Okay?
Okay.
Good. So now this one everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this account, what did I tell here? This account I am maintaining in rupees. So show me the balance in rupees only. And those balances have I got? That a transactions list I want. That list show me date wise. Is that clear? Next. Next, go to next tab, create bank interest tab.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, one more repeat again, sir.
First one is just the name, na? Type description. Just what is this?
How to open first place, sir?
I will
Just
show.
one
We will create some more accounts. Just note down now. So create control data. Everybody understood, na? This one.
Yes, sir.
Next, go to third tab. What is the third tab?
Create bank.
Create bank interest. Now here, field status group. Field status group. What is our group? Our group is general, G00. See, if it is a, understand here, if it is a bank account, I will select G005, bank account. If it is a material account, like raw material account, I will select G006. If it is a asset account, I will select G007. Got it? But it is a share capital. Now, do I have a share capital group is there separately? It's not there. If it is not there, it will come under general group. Understand? Yeah. So 90% of
Yes,
the
sir.
accounts, they fall under general only. 90% general only. Okay. Okay. Select G001. Note down. Okay. So type description tab, I have given this. Second tab, what is the second tab? Control data tab, I have given this. Create interest tab, I have given this. Got it? Yeah. Save. That is, I created one GL account. Na? Which GL account? Which GL account I created? Share capital.
Share capital.
That's it. Okay. So here you can see, wrong company code. Na? Here you can see wrong company. Got it? Here you see wrong SFL is there. I created in SHL. Na? So what should I do? This is the change company. Change company code, remove SFL, put SHL. Is that clear?
Yes,
So now you can see under SHL, I have the liabilities I have. Clear? So I created one account. Na? Yeah. Did I face any problem, any error?
No, sir.
No.
Got it? It got created. Correct. So which means that my 21 steps are correctly done. Yeah. See, I will not get any error because I have done it probably nearly 1 lakh times. No, I don't know. Must have done. So I will not get any problem. Correct. You are doing it for first time, na? Definitely you may get some error. Na? Enterprise structure error you may get. 21 steps. Any problem is there, it will stop you. So when you get error, what you have to do? You have to go there, solve the problem and again try to create. Correct? If it is a tolerance problem, solve the problem. If it is chart of accounts problem, solve it like that. You take the help of the lab faculty, get it resolved and then go ahead with the creation of the GLA. Okay. Right. So one more account I will create now. I want to create.
2 more tabs, right? We don't edit anything.
That is just information.
Okay.
They are just information. Yeah. Next, note down. Next one is I will create a bank account, HDFC bank account. I will create a bank account, HDFC bank account. Now you tell me what it is, asset, liability, what it is.
Asset.
It's an asset. What series I am following for assets?
2 lakh.
2 lakh series.
2 lakhs.
Correct? Yeah. So let us create now. Go to, what is the T code to create an account?
FS00.
FS double. Okay, let's go to FS00 slash n FS0. Okay, then what I should do? What I should do?
Create.
This one, correct?
Yes.
And then
2 lakhs.
2 lakh, correct. Okay, press enter. And then group, what group I should give?
Asset.
Asset,
Asset.
na? Balance sheet or P&L?
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
See, if system is very smart. Imagine by mistake I am selecting here liabilities. The bank is a 2 lakh series is for asset, na? But I am selecting liabilities. You see what it says? Error. So it is saying if you are want liabilities, why you are not giving one series? Got it. So already whatever instruction you have given to it, it is already following. Got it. If you do the mistake also, system will correct you. The only assets it will accept for the 2 series. Is it clear? Yeah. So P&L or balance sheet?
Balance sheet.
Okay. What is the name of the account? HDFC Bank. Correct? Good. Next.
Yes. Control data.
Control data. Go to control data. Now tell me what I have to do.
Only balance.
Only balance in local.
Line item display.
Next.
And
Sort key.
Date wise. Correct? Yeah. So this account I will maintain in rupees. So show me the balance in rupees only. That balance I want. Yes.
What we tell sir this mouse.
What? What is your question?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Sir, what we tell this mouse, you have told me some name this mouse, right?
Which one?
This mouse, search bar. This search bar only or something else you have told me? No, not that. They near 001. It's 001.
Drop down.
Drop down, right. Thank you.
Okay, yeah.
Sir,
yes.
Is the same changes done for all GLs, sir? Those tick marks?
Yeah, depends on the what type of GL you are creating. No? Yeah, some changes may be there. Depends on what you are creating. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you will understand. Couple of accounts when you create, no, you will understand. Okay, now, so this account I am maintaining in rupees. So show me the balances in rupees only. And so right. And then I want to, along with the balance, I want to see the transactions also. Those transactions show me date wise. Is it clear? Yeah, good. Then create bank interest tab. You tell me what I should select, guys.
Field status.
This is a bank account, na?
Yeah, bank account.
Bank account 5, correct. Got it. So for a bank account, I will select the bank related fields. Next, I will select relevant to cash flow. Note down, put a note, very important. Put a note, select relevant to cash flow.
For bank, we have to select this.
Yeah, so note, put a note here. Select note, put a note here. Select relevant to cash flow only for bank and cash account. Correct?
Sir, can you please repeat step 19, sir?
Yeah. First, let us create. Okay, now this relevant to, you know now why we are taking this relevant to cash flow? Because they will tell us our liquidity position. Na? Correct? Na?
Yes, sir. Yes,
See,
sir.
my cash position is also very important. Na? I might be a rich company, but I should have the cash to pay the salaries, right? To buy the raw material, I should have the money. Na? So that is liquidity position, na? Cash position. Got it? So that is also important. Na? So my bank accounts and cash accounts will tell me my liquidity position. Is that clear, guys?
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Na? See, you need cash, na? Liquidity position, na? You can see. Now, general example I will give. Suppose I am a super rich person. I am a very, very rich guy. I have lot of properties. Okay, big buildings I have. Can I walk into a restaurant, kada, have dinner there and tell them that I am a rich guy, I will sell one building one day and I will pay you. I don't have cash. Can I do that? No, na?
No.
I need to have cash in my pocket or in my bank account. Na? Kada? Either it should be there in the bank or it should be in the cash, not in building form. Na? I have building, I have asset. Na? No, na? You need liquidity position. Na? Spot cash you need. For a business also, it is so important. You need money to pay salaries, correct? So that liquidity position, who will tell me? Only bank and cash accounts will tell me. That's why we are taking that. Is that clear? Yeah. So select relevant to cash flow only for bank
and cash.
So 2 accounts I created. Now I want to create one more account. Okay, I want to create rent expense account. Rent expense account I want to create. Okay. How to create? You will go like this. Slash n, yeah, slash n fs00. Come on, yeah, tell me now. Create. What is the number? Rent expense.
4 lakh.
4 lakh, na? Expense is 4 lakh, na? Correct. Enter. Next. Which one I should select?
Expenses.
P&L or balance sheet?
P&L.
P&L. Expenses and incomes will come under P&L, na?
Yes.
Okay, rent expense account. This is my rent expense account. Now, next go to control data tab. INR only balances. What else?
Local
Line items.
Line item display.
Next.
Short keys.
What is it? 001, na? Next.
Yes,
Create bank interest tab. What should I select? Rent. Is rent there separately account? Rent group? No, it's not there. So what should I select?
General.
And relevant to cash flow, shall I tick or not?
No.
Yeah, only for bank and
Cash.
cash. That's it. Save. So I created 3 accounts for you. One is asset account, one expense account, one liability. Is that clear? So what is the T code to create an account?
FS00.
FS doubles. Okay, so create the GL accounts and come to class. Now, any problems in your 21 steps, get it solved. Correct?
Okay.
Good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. So somebody was talking about step 20. Yeah?
Step 19,
Step 19 OBBG. Just go there, position, country India. For India, you pull it on left side here. And then you open the drop down here. And from the drop down, you will select tax test. Where is my test system? This. Okay, that's it. Enter, select it, save. Okay? Right then. Thank you, guys. We'll make. Yes?
Sir, have some problems.
Step 5, step 1. Only say, because I have created.
Your voice is not you created.
Yes, I have created it step number 5, but I'm not sure whether it is correct or not. So just want
Show to lab faculty once, na? Show to faculty. You may have other problems also. Okay, just solve it.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in my system there are more than 800 companies, sir.
So if I want to go with any company, it is showing like it's already existing. It's already existing. I can delete all those 800 companies.
No, don't delete na. They are working hard ma. Don't delete their companies. See, create a company in your name na. Kada, you can become the CEO of it. Kada, there is no restriction here na. Create your name na. Definitely it will be available for you. Correct. Create your own group, your own business. Correct or not? You can create. No need to worry. Correct. Anything.
Company codes, all those. How should I give the?
I imagine na. It's all. You can imagine you are. It's a big group is there. In that you have cements business, constructions business, textiles business, any business. Clear?
Okay, sir. Sir,
Good.
one doubt, sir.
Yes, tell me.
In real time, how many GL accounts we should be posting?
How many GL accounts we should be creating?
Yes, yes.
Correct. So, how many GL accounts they have, na? Our client. Who is our client?
Sahara Hotel.
They need how many accounts? That many we create. Okay. See, everything is for them only. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, then thank you guys. We'll meet tomorrow then. Thank you. So complete creation, create the GL accounts and come to class, guys. Okay? Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.